With this GROHE Eurosmart Cosmopolitan Basin tap, it's all smart. Looks, technology and price. It has a comfortable, standard height spout, perfect for any bathroom. It features GROHE Ecojoy technology, which reduces water consumption by up to 50% without compromising on performance, saving both water and money. GROHE SilkMove ES function means that only cold water flows when the lever is in the mid position, saving energy in your daily bathroom routines. This product also comes with GROHE StarLight scratch-resistant chrome finish and the GROHE QuickFix installation system for swift, simple fitting. And you can be certain of the outstanding GROHE quality, all backed up by our 5-year guarantee. The basin, bidet, shower and bath taps in this range provide a perfect solution tailored to your bathroom. GROHE Eurosmart Cosmopolitan, more than mere minimalism.